Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that all of you are doing well. Today we have the last section of Unit 2, Super Goal 2, Unit 4. So this is Super Goal 2, Unit 4. The title of our unit is What Can You Do There? Today we have Part 11 or Section 11, Form, Meaning and Function. In this part you're going to revise this unit. Okay, students, book page 33. Here we have two objectives. The first objective is to practice using gerunds after verbs. Practice using gerunds after verbs. The second objective is infinitives after verbs. So let's start. Gerund and infinitive. What's a gerund and what's an infinitive? Infinitive here, we put to and the base form of the verb. So, to play. We call this full infinitive. But if we have only play, this is called bare infinitive. So, full infinitive, to play, to read, to dance, to walk, and so on. To watch, for example. What's a gerund? A gerund is a verb plus ing. A gerund is a verb plus ing. Play, it becomes playing. Swim, swimming. Watch, watching. So a gerund is a verb plus ing. Okay, so this is infinitive and this is gerund. Okay. Previous one. Form, meaning and function, gerunds after verbs. You're gonna use a verb plus ing after certain verbs. For example, gerunds are the ing form of a verb. They act like nouns. You can say reading is my favorite hobby. Reading here is a gerund and it's a noun. Okay, it acts like a noun. And another, answer the question what. For example, they spend their free time playing basketball. They spend their free time playing basketball. He enjoys skateboarding in the park. He enjoys skateboarding in the park here. Here we have play. We have the gerund from play, or to play is playing. To skateboard is skateboarding. We use gerunds after certain verbs and phrases such as. So you can use gerunds after these verbs or phrases. For example, can't stand. I can't stand, for example, playing video games. Dislike, enjoy, feel like, hate, like, love, prefer, spend time. So after these verbs and phrases, you have to use a gerund. Again, after these verbs and phrases, you have to use a gerund. So after can't stand, dislike, enjoy, feel like, love, hate, prefer, like, spend time. Infinitives after verbs. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. For example, to play, to read, for example, to swim, and so on. Like gerunds, infinitives act like nouns. We can use infinitives like nouns and answer the question what. Here we have some examples. Okay. The verbs like, love, hate, and prefer can go with either a gerund or an infinitive. So after these verbs, after like, love, hate, and prefer, you can use a gerund or an infinitive. For example here, I like to watch TV, but I prefer to play games online. I like to watch TV, but I prefer to play games online. We use infinitives after certain verbs and phrases such as. After these verbs or phrases, you have to use infinitive. For example, hate, love, want, like, prefer, and would like. We have some common verbs here. We use after them gerund, a gerund, or an infinitive. Okay? Okay. Let's go to part A, exercise A here. Write the gerund or infinitive of the verbs here. Here we have verbs between brackets, I want you. To put them in the gerund or infinitive form. For example, my family and I love. Go. Here we have love. Love here is a common verb. After love, we can use infinitive or gerund. So, my family and I love going or to go. We love what? Going or to go. Both are correct here. My family and I love going or to go to beachside resort on vacation every summer. We always stay in a comfortable apartment with a beautiful view. There are lots of fun activities to do at beachside. My dad and brothers enjoy. After enjoy, we only use what here? A gerund. Enjoy, doing. Enjoy, doing. So, after enjoy, we only use a gerund. Enjoy doing water sports. They usually rent a boat. My dad and Ahmed spend the day fish. Spend the day what? Fish. So, after spend here, we have what? Fishing. We use a gerund. After the verb spend, we use only a gerund. We can't say spend to fish. So, my dad and Ahmed spend the day fishing. Okay, let's go back here. Sometimes they catch enough fish for dinner. Hamid prefers, here we have snorkel. Snorkel. Here we have prefer. After prefer, we can use what? A gerund or an infinitive. So, snorkeling or to snorkel. So, Hamid prefers snorkeling or to snorkel. And this year, he would like. After would like, we only use what? After would like, we only use an infinitive. Would like to try scuba diving. Would like to try scuba diving. My mom can't stand. After can't stand, we use, of course, a gerund. Can't stand, a gerund. From sail, we say sailing. Because she gets seasick. And I hate sit on the boat all day. I hate sit on the boat all day. Hate here is a common verb we use exactly. A gerund or an infinitive after the verb hate. I hate sitting or to sit. We prefer walk along the beach. We prefer here, walking or to walk. We prefer walking or to walk along the beach. In the evening, I help my mom cook dinner. We all love, eat. After love, also, we have what here? A gerund or an infinitive. From eat, we can say we all love eating or to eat fresh fish and seafood. After dinner, my brothers like hike. Like here, we have like. You can say hiking or to hike. Hiking or to hike. Along the ecological trails, I clear the table and wash up the dishes because my parents want relax. After want, we only use what? What do you think? A gerund or an infinitive? Exactly, an infinitive. Want to relax on the balcony. Then I usually feel like read a good book. After feel like, we only use a gerund. Okay? Then I usually feel like reading a good book. This is part A. Let's go to part B here. This is yours. Write about your likes and dislikes. Use gerunds and infinitives. You're going to write about the things you like or dislike. Use gerunds and infinitive. For example, I like, I would like, I enjoy, I prefer, I dislike, I can't stand, I spend my free time. Here I gave you here, I can give you a model here or some examples. For example, I like playing video games. I like reading books. I like watching movies. So after like, we use verb plus ing. Okay? I would like, and also we can say I like to play or playing video games. Number two, I would like, after would like, we only use what here? Infinitive. An infinitive. I would like to buy a new laptop. I would like to read books. I would like to watch movies. I enjoy, after enjoy, yeah. I enjoy swimming, fishing in the summer. I enjoy playing football. I enjoy playing video games. I prefer, after prefer, exactly. I prefer to hang out with my friends. I prefer to hang out with my friends. After prefer, we use infinitive. I dislike, for example, watching TV. I dislike watching TV. I can't stand cooking. I can't stand cooking, for example, which means I hate cooking very much. I spend my free time reading books. I spend my free time reading books. So this is the last part of Unit 4. I'd like to thank you all for watching and see you next time, inshallah.